little bit of new information from the National Hurricane Center. Arthur is still a Category 1 storm, winds of 90 miles per hour. We are now seeing tropical storm warnings issued for the outer Cape only. That's basically Provincetown down to Chatham. For the rest of us, we'll get some rain, and that will be the primary impact for our neck of the woods over the land. The waters will get a bit rough. Let's first talk about actually land-based forecast, because live Pinpoint Doppler 12 showing a line of storms out here in central Massachusetts off to our west, and really the parameters to generate strong showers and thunderstorms are much higher out to the north and west. That's why, while a chance exists of occasional showers and strong thunderstorms, most of the night should end up rain-free. Now, I want to direct your attention to this front. You can see this line of pretty heavy showers and storms out in Pennsylvania, upstate New York. It's this front plus Arthur that plays a big role in our forecast for tomorrow. Here's how it works. I'm going to go through this quickly. We'll revisit this in a second with a more zoomed in look, but just pay attention to the overall pattern. By the time we get into Friday afternoon, notice the front gets right on our doorstep. And then here comes Arthur, and it's really the way in which they fuse together which affects our weather for Friday afternoon and Friday evening. And unfortunately, it looks like they do fuse together right at fireworks time or just before that. That's why a lot of rain is expected during Friday afternoon. A lot of moisture being pumped in not only from the tropics, but part of Arthur as well. But again, the center of the storm stays well offshore. As we take a look at the blue skies over Providence, we'll call them hazy blue skies. Temperature is 89, feels like 94 degrees. Humidity very, very high. Winds are out of the southwest at 12 miles an hour. Elsewhere, temperatures upper 80s inland. Actually, some mid 80s at the coast today. 82 right now in Westerly, 85 New Bedford. Newport, you're at 79 degrees. So we go through the next 24 hours here. Notice we get a few spotty showers and storms trying to come through. For those fireworks celebrations tonight, most of those should end up actually okay. Just a slight risk of a brief interruption with a shower or thunderstorm. Watch what happens as we go into tomorrow morning. This could actually be good news for the parade in Bristol. It doesn't look like a washout during the morning. You could see some spotty showers, even downpours potentially there, but some rain-free time as well. It's not until the afternoon where things really start to pick up. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Notice we get into 3 p.m. Things really start to fill in, and unfortunately stays filled in through 6 p.m. as well. This yellow represents where we could actually get some periods of very heavy rain. Remember, this is tropical moisture, so when it rains, it can really pour. That's why some localized street flooding is possible. By 11 o'clock, most of this starts to move away. Now, in terms of wind speeds, I mentioned the tropical storm warning for the Cape. This is the place where it has the highest chance of seeing those gusts of greater than 39 miles an hour. That's what you need for a tropical storm. For most of our viewing area, gusts generally between 25 and 35. Now, can you get some wind damage when you have wet tree branches? Certainly, but really this is not that unusual for around here. You can get this with your average thunderstorm, those 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So it looks like we'll escape the worst of the winds here in central Rhode Island and most of southeastern Massachusetts. Temperature-wise, well, you may not care if it's raining, but we'll show you that anyway. Upper 70s to low 80s by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. The humidity will start to drop by tomorrow night. A wrap-up of 4th of July. 1 to 2 inches of rain is possible. If you get stuck under one of those heavier bands, that's where some localized street flooding is possible. Again, the high surf and rip currents, that will be an issue tomorrow evening and throughout Saturday, potentially into Sunday as well. And it will be especially dangerous for boaters out towards Cape Cod and the islands. People do not want to be out in the water in that location. 7-day Futurecast shows Saturday and Sunday, not bad though, mostly sunny, low humidity. I know my family, my aunt's actually postponing her 4th of July celebration until Saturday afternoon, so that should be actually a nice time, and Sunday looking okay as well.
And those people who are still holding theirs on Friday, maybe just getting some tents or figuring out some sort of a contingency plan.
Exactly, and tomorrow morning maybe not quite as bad, so that's the silver lining with tomorrow, but certainly a lot of rain on the way by the afternoon.
But we're not going to let it rain on our 4th of July.
We will not.
Patriotism.
That's right.
All right. More coverage you can count on. Still